This is a quick video and tutorial about some of the parts that we carry for the Schulze Pretreatmaker 3 and 4. Now, when you get these caps from us, you might want to also get these O-rings. Once you need to replace a cap, generally you may need to replace an O-ring. Okay, and if you need nozzles, we have some brass ones and stainless steel. Okay, difference is one may take longer to corrode than the other, and once corrosion occurs, it may skew your spray pattern, resulting in a less wide or choppy spray pattern. And of course, we know when there's no pre-treat hitting a certain area, the white is less vibrant or non-existent in that area. So it's very vital to make sure that you have nozzles that are working and that they're good quality and that you take good care of them. Okay, we have other videos on how to care for them as well. As long as you're using our nozzle cleaner, it will clean off any rust and corrosion that could occur if you had left them in air, like a lot of people do. They leave them in the machine, which is not the brightest idea. You need to put the caps and the nozzles into the solution at night so that they're wet, and that so that they're in some type of nozzle cleaner, preferably ours, that it'll clean off any rust or corrosion that may have occurred during the day. Okay, so we have a link to all of these parts in the description below, along with our nozzle cleaner. These are very easy to put in these caps, so if you haven't done it before, you can just grab your nozzle and just put in the center. Okay, and what you want to do is make sure that these O-rings are flush. Okay, what we do at night is we just take these simply off the machine. Okay, we'll twist it so that it comes off, and we just put it in some type of container with the nozzle cleaner, and we just let it sit in there. I have a video about this and the process, and the link to that video is in the description below. Anyhow, that's basically the difference between the nozzles, and then how these parts all correlate together. If you have any questions about any of these items or products, feel free to comment below. Feel free to call us or email us. Our websites are in the description below, a link to those and these products. Please keep us in mind when you're purchasing consumables to support us and help us keep us in business and give you some knowledge, and so we can keep providing videos for you. And also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so that we can keep our algorithm up in YouTube. Thanks so much for watching.